Hi Matthew. I've had a look at where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? What was the ticker number on that one? What was it called? Halion. Halion. Um, that's it. LSE. What was it doing on the NYC anyway? Is there more history to it? No. HLN on the London Stock Exchange. Bring that chart up. Okay, so set. Right, let's just remove some of these drawings. I've had a little look at it and started waffling. Basically, I was indecisive on it. Could go up, could go down. So I was looking at how might it go up, how might it go down. It's a bit scruffy. Now, I've been away from it for quite some time, pretty much since April, really keeping an eye on it. Trending up nice since 5th September 2022. I don't know exactly what was going on in the markets generally there. And got a strong level of support, so we've got a nice bull flag there. Come up. It's a flagpole. Take that. And then we've also got, let's do a parallel channel in there. Speaking. It's looking pretty good. Parallel channel, there's the flag. So if it does break up, extremis is the length of the flag for a price target. Also, probably one of the estimates, if it does break up, pops up there, length or the breadth of the flag. And the inverse is true if it breaks low, a certain amount of true it can very much do that. I don't know of the studied probabilities or certainties of the reliability of using this particular pattern. Those informations are out there, and like I say, I'm rusty. I did know. It's something needs researching and reminding of. Okay, now it's been nice and bullish for quite some time, and that is really up there at the moment, isn't it? It's like where it loaded up, market opening high at 330 there on the top of that main body along there, and that is still fairly consistent along the way the price it is now. Boom, test. Candle pattern potentially, maybe. Could that be mountain tops? Yeah. Is that mountain tops? Mountain tops is the name of the candle pattern. That is worth looking up. I can't remember if it was, I think it might have been reversal. Why reversal? Because it's rejection of further movement, rejection of further movement, rejection of further movement. We'll see what happens this week after that solid green candle which formed on Friday. Could be further rejection. Where will it come down to? We can measure that. So it's probably, if it doesn't break through 330 on Monday, then it could be a case of a rejection and a case for also a potential short if the person wanted to take that risk. Where would it test down to? Initial test, probably really. First one at 325 area, then 318, just along there, so that's the top there, bottom there, coming down at 310, it rejects 310, look to the trend line, and if it does break the trend line, then you're going to have to throw in some serious fibs in there, mate, from the bottom to the top. So another interesting point is on the retracement there from that high on 31st of January, is consistently the price, the support level is sitting on that 236 fibs at that 310 level. So there's a strong level of support. So if it does wham down there, could be an up, but it might not be an entry for a long term buy. Yeah, for value investing, I'm not sure if that's the best thing for it. I'm just looking at the charts. I wouldn't do it anyway. I'm just talking about me here because this is not fucking financial advice, mate. And then if it does come down lower, look at the previous price history on there, dude. So somewhere in that gap area, either side of 382, there. And then also the side of the 50 level along there. Also, yeah, that 50, look at that in there. You see there and there on 26th September 22 and 10th of October, testing that area, testing and rejecting, testing, rejecting, 287 before being rejected down to lower levels at 260 for impulsively moving up. So what have we got here? We've got a strong wave up, a first wave, second wave, wave 3 up to 312, but it's leveling off here. Are we looking for a look further down? I don't know, mate. Further down. If not, that's probably an Elliott wave series rejected, so it can be discounted on an Elliott wave fifth wave hypothesis if it doesn't form a decent fourth wave, which don't meet the categories the requirements to become called a fourth wave, so it might be rejected there. Pattern wise, again, you've got a decent cup and handle on here. Let's have a look. For a sort of cup and handle-ish shape in there. Cup, handle, and the depth of the cup pretty much there-ish, I suppose. It's very crude, I'm afraid. We get a very estimate from where it breaks low or where it breaks high. So it's another way of forming a estimate for price targets over that particular run. Don't think there's a lot in the market. We're all projected over the next 10, 15 years to have lots of lateral movement anyway, and we're at all-time highs. And those all-time highs are also in UK 100, the FTSE, that one. So that blue line there, so price movement is fairly sort of congruent with the markets. And we're at all-time highs on the FTSE 100 at the moment as well. Okay, so I wonder how it compares also with the UK 350. Has we got on that? No, we've got UK 250. Yeah, it's been fucking shit, isn't it? UK 100 only. Typical Britain, that is. So at the moment, I don't know if it goes. It's just watching if it goes high, goes low. If it goes low, it'd be wicked to check the bounce and see, ride those waves down, catching the bounces, watch the fib levels, watch the previous support and resistance levels for that as well. I can't commit either way on that, but it does look good. Could be a bull flag ready to move up. Could be something ready to move down. I'm not sure, mate. Really, I'm not sure at all. All right, mate.